Okay, but show me what you got. Like the boy in the video. Show me what you got.
The Angry version.
Okay, play the music and dance.
Play the music.
Good job.
That sounds like the bird launcher.
The bird launcher.
Oh, the bird.
Those are the cards.
I got the food. Bobby, don't take out the pieces. There's a 100 in the back. It gets started here. There's a 100 in the back. Mommy, take out the boober.
You want me to take it out?
I got a pretty oh, the person is dead.
You want to take out the peaks?
You gotta take out all the stands. I gotta take out the helmets, please. I gotta take out the helmets. I gotta take out the helmets.
Why are you taking out the helmets?
All the helmets now. And take it out.
You want to take out these pieces too?
You like your new toy?
Like my new toy.
Why did you get it?
Walmart.
Okay, that's where did you get it. But why did you get it? What did you do?
Get it at Walmart.
No, but what did you do?
To take out all the pieces.
No. Why did you got a toy, a new toy? Were you a nice boy?
Yeah.
What did you do?
The flip is the back. I wanted it to build it for.
You want to build it now? Okay, so here are the pieces. You can build it, okay?